Hello, my lovelies. It's, Christ, what day is it? Oh, it's Wednesday, isn't it? It's Wednesday, and you join me in Mingebag. And we are about to head off to the Yard of Dreams for Mingebag's date with MOT Destiny. Nothing like over-dramatising things, is there? Right, let's get this show on the road. Oh, brakes had banged a little bit. Freed off now though. And we've got a good 55 odd mile little trip, so everything will be nice and loose for the MOT man. Emission should be good. Blah blah blah. Sheep are still in my little field, look. I don't know what that noise is every time I go around that corner. I keep thinking I've hit the wall. I haven't, of course. Oh hell. Hello, Stickbert. I think it's a bit of a foggy one. Oh, I shouldn't have come this way because visibility left it. Oh, it's okay, I can see. Mingebag is so wonderfully farty, but like meaty farting, like Mike Tyson would fart. Oh, it's a bit nippy in it. Okay, we are going through Stony Middleton, and this is real old school today because I've got the because my knob is compromised. Oh hello, he's a big boy at the tight spot. Oh, and he's coming through. Yeah, because my knob is compromised, I can't turn my blower on. And of course, being oh Christ. Say thank you. Tit. Twat. Twerp. Yeah, so without the blower, and being a TF, my windscreen was all condensationed up. And I still don't understand condensation, despite people trying to explain it to me on the live stream. And Cooperman trying to explain it to me in the comments on a video. But I still can't really get my head around it. And so, yeah, so I've been deploying, oh, that's starting to look rather nice now, isn't it? That apartment block thing, whatever it is. So yeah, I've been trying to clear the windscreen with a microfiber, having the window open to help, which means I'm freezing my titties off. Wow, this is beautiful. Absolutely lovely. Okay, I've got the window closed now, so the small amount of heat that's emanating from the vents will gradually, hopefully, slowly but surely, warm us up. And as I say, if Mingy here does manage to pass her MOT, then the first little bit of love she's going to get is a new set of knobs, so we can be nice and warm. Oh, and I'll tell you what else she really needs, as does Wet Leg, hard tops. Need to keep our eyes peeled for some cheap hard tops. They do come up very regularly, but they tend to be a bit shabby. But I think in fairness, when it comes to a Peak District winter, shabby is better than nothing. Right, one of two things needs to happen now. So I'm fogging up again. Either I need to get the bloody window back open and possibly quite literally freeze to death, or I need to achieve some blower from this broken knob, and I'm desperately and frantically twiddling the broken thing and shoving it and furdling it in various ways, and I cannot get it to notch up, and I could really do with it. My breath is just fogging the screen and my side window. Come on, knob. Try pulling it out. I'll try looking at it and hold it in my hand and feeling the sellotape, and I'll try shoving it back in. Oh, it won't go back in then. And we'll try twiddling it again. Oh, I'm dribbling. That's attractive. Oh, come on. Oh! Got it! Hooray! Not sure what setting that's on. Possibly... Oh, possibly number 2. Oh, God, that's warm. Oh, that's lovely. So the problem now is that in about 4 minutes' time, I'm going to be too hot. But having experienced being too cold and too fogged up, I will take too hot. At this point, very happily. Oh, the screen is clearing nicely. Oh God, that's better. So cold. Gosh, we're having a proper adventure, aren't we? I remember the first time I came down this bit of road. Well, I don't remember it exactly, but it would have been when I first started courting Maggie, the artist formerly known as Mrs. Boaty, and started kind of staying over and spending time up here. And if I had to guess, it would be the first time that I took Mags and the kids to Blackpool, to the Pleasure Beach for the day. And of course we'd have come this way, and this road was like a revelation to me. I remember being really excited by it, and I still feel a little bit of that excitement now, even though I come down here, well, pretty much every week, and have done for, what, 18 months. Oh, that's so nice and warm. I'm getting feeling back in my hands now. Time check, it's 11:41. We're not ridiculously behind schedule. Tractor. And at this point I should give a massive shout out and say an even more massive thank you to Carlos Fandango, known on YouTube and the live streams as Carlos Fandango's super wide wheels. And unexpectedly I got a ping very late last night after the live stream. He was just about to head off to bed, I was just about to eat and then collapse in bed, and he has done a rather wonderful thing, and I'm exceedingly grateful. It's kind of a live stream thing, so those of you who watch my live streams, you'll know what I'm talking about. But there'll be more on that in tonight's live stream, no doubt. Gosh, I'm enjoying the warmth. Now, are my wipers working? Oh, wonderful. Minji is driving beautifully. Ladies and gentlemen, Boaty's World, in association with Mr. Boaty's Pottering Lube, presents to you, on your right, the Freelander of Broken Dreams. Bless its poor old knackered heart. Here we go. Just about in the cloud, and then as soon as we came over the summit, we kind of just dropped right out of it. Okay, I'll put you on time lapse for the rest of it.
Oh, one big titty bouncing up and down, two big titties bouncing up and down, three big titties bouncing up and down. We're going to have to get a bigger bra. Hey!
Well, that's not been the worst journey in the world. Quite enjoyed it, actually. I always do enjoy these. Time check, it's 12:35, so kind of 5 minutes behind schedule, but pretty decent in the grand scheme of things. And from having started out freezing my tits off, it's now like a bleeding sauna in here. Come on, pass your MOT, Minji, and it's new knobs for you, darling. New knobs all the way. Oh, the gate's open. That's nice, isn't it? Oh, is that senior mustard? Senior mustard. Right. Nigel, fucking legend. Right then, darlings, there has been something of a change of plan, because there has been something of, I won't if it's all the same with you, although jolly kind of you to offer me the exciting opportunity. Hold yourself in, dear boy. I've got cramp now and it's your fault.
Why is it my fault?
It just is. Yeah, there's been a slight cock up on the communication front, because when I said I'm coming up specifically for the MOT, can you book it in and let me know if they can't do it, so I won't bother coming. Mustard thought I said, I'll pop in and have a nice cup of coffee, and I won't bother going to work that day. We'll go and view a card instead. So, am I going left?
Yeah, but you're going to struggle to get out of there, so you're best off just going down, avoiding that grid if you are doing already.
Okay. Am I looking 9 o'clock high navigator?
No, not yet. It's alright, just stay there, because they should actually just let you out, really. Like, just block the exit, arseholes.
He's letting me out.
He's letting you out because he understands that to get out of junctions you have to pull out.
Yeah. Yes, tell me. Fucking hell, you no help.
What do you mean?
I can't see. I needed you to tell me if I could go. Where am I going? Round the island and back? Or?
Yeah.
God.
Just shut up now. Be careful of... no, you're alright now, carry on. I'll guide you a bit further if you like.
Thank you. So, darlings, what's happening at the moment is there's been a change of plan, and what we're doing now is we are going to pick up Barney the Streetwise, because I'm going to have to leave Winchbag here, who can go in for MOT tomorrow, because they can't do it today. They can't do it today. There's a day they can't do it, and that is today.
Yeah, you've said that.
Yeah. But they can do it tomorrow. So I'm going to leave Winchbag in the tender caress of Captain Von Mustard here, left.
Yep.
And I'm going to take Barney home tonight.
Barney, the streetwise, you must have.
And then, depending on how the MOT goes, I will come back. Oh, that's the other thing that I haven't told you yet. You know, the tyres were being done on Stigma on Friday.
Yeah.
Well, now they're not. Now they're being done on Saturday, which means that I've got Friday free, so I can come back and swap the cars back on Friday.
Right.
Well, that's going to be a tight squeeze time-wise, but hey ho. These things happen.
I've got a question for you.
Oh, good. I like questions. Do I win a bun or something if I answer it correctly? I haven't had an iced bun for ages.
Boaty, Yuki.
Oh, do your Allegro run again. That was brilliant. Go on, do it.
Now then.
I'm trying to think who that is. I mean, I know it's Allegro Man, but it's based on somebody almost as famous as him, isn't it?
Well, that's what he says sometimes when he rings me up.
Ah, okay. For reference, the last 45 or 50 minutes we've been hanging out with Allegro Man and watching him swing a bloody great lump hammer about and looking at the size of his neck. Oh, and planning a lunch. Because Allegro Man, who is right up at the top of the list of up-and-coming celebrities, he's on our Mustard and Boaty do lunch with celebrities list.
He's on the to-do list.
He is. We go to do Allegro Man. So that is the plan, and what time is it now? It's now 20 minutes to 2. So hopefully we will have a chance to nip to the chippy in the village and grab a... Oh, that's a nice shape of... Oh gosh, it's a bit old.
Oh, I thought you were saying about the dog.
No, that's you. We know which of us dreams about pottering dogs and designed a harness specifically to keep them compliant. Am I going left and over the level crossing, or right and
Go
round by the lake?
doing some boaty driving. Oh gosh. I haven't really.
No, you really have. You've been very, very weird. I worry about what happened to you over Monday and Tuesday.
Well, I got tired. I did lots of driving, and I dropped in with red wine.
Right. You weren't taken over by aliens. You haven't had any sort of an anal probe, have you?
Well, not that I know of. If it did happen, that is rather regrettable. Really regrettable. No, it didn't worry me.
Oh, a train!
Yeah, train.
Gosh, how exciting, my lovelies. Oh, this is... I mean, you've got to love this channel, haven't you? I mean...
Which one, yours?
Yeah.
Oh, because you see a train.
Yeah, and get excited about it. I'm like that guy that...
Well, you get excited about it, your viewers do.
What? No, but they get excited about my excitement.
They get excited on your behalf.
Yeah. They get vicariously excited. I'm like that. Have you ever seen that Francis guy?
Yeah.
Is that for real or is it all an act?
Francis?
Yeah.
Oh, the train.
The train guy.
Oh, yeah,
with
that's
the...
right. Yeah. I don't know, actually. It is quite funny, though. But then again, will it carry on being funny if you carry on watching it?
Yes.
I don't know if it does anything other than just get incredibly excited about a train.
No, that's it. He just gets incredibly excited about a train and then gets invited to the Brit Awards and stuff.
Oh, is it?
Oh God, yeah, he's major league celebrity now. He's been on every TV program going.
Well, that is nice.
I really hope it's genuine because I totally get that. I share his excitement. I'm just not doing quite as well out of it. So there you go. I'm like a low rent front. Oh God, is that a kind of shit? Cross your fingers.
What?
Cross your fingers. Keep them crossed.
Why?
Don't uncross them. We've just seen a bloody hearse with a coffin in it. That means you have to keep your fingers crossed until you see a dog. Oh, and there's a dog. Thank God for that.
Yeah, I don't have to do that.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. It's just you that has to do
It's
it.
not just me. Everybody has to do it.
Nobody else.
Do you want bad luck happening to you?
No, I don't. The
Exactly.
bad luck in this instance is thinking that you've got to do that every time you see a hearse.
You do have to do it. My mum said, are you calling her a liar?
No, I'm calling you stupid.
No, I'm telling my mum on you.
Watch out for that.
She'll kick your hairy ass.
Just blow that.
What, in the bus stop?
Well, that was the car's just.
Oh, okay. Oh, I better stop. Welcome back, viewers. And we are now following the porn star. A moment of incredible excitement, viewers. We're going to go over a level crossing. And it doesn't get much better than that, I can tell you. God, I love a level crossing. is, well, it's a, oh God, 60 mile an hour road and we're doing 9 miles an hour because, I don't know. It's a bit tight, but we're going to be home in time to have a very quick change and get off to work. So yeah, today has not gone entirely as planned, but adopt, adapt and improvise. Lunch went as planned, so that's good. I got my sausage and chips and I got my curry sauce. Very nice it was too. So Min's bag is now booked in for MOT tomorrow at 4, and then assuming that she passes, I'll go back and swap the cars over either on Friday, or I'll just wait until Monday and the planned visit anyway. See how things work out. Probably make more sense to just wait until Monday, to be honest. So we mean going in Barney and bringing back Min's bag, assuming that she passes her MOT. And that wouldn't be, I've got to take Liz's wheels, but I'll get Liz's wheels in the back of Barney, so that would be okay. But the immediate plan is to get in, have a wee, get changed, get to work. I wonder why we're going so bloody slowly. Not a clue. Oh, fuck's sake. Why? Nothing obvious. Am I missing something here, guys? And again. No, not a clue. Alright, darlings, I'll catch up with you when I'm on the way to work. Alright, darlings, you join me back in Barney. I'm on my way to work and I am late. With a capital Lay. And typically, the road is busy when it would be better for me if it wasn't. Here we go. That's quite a pretty view though, isn't it? Alright my loves, it's about 30:30. I am running late. So I'm going to put my clog down on the way to work and I'll catch up with you later on. That's 6 o'clock.
BBC News at 6 o'clock.
I should be at work.
Jane Steele.
And I'm not.
The Chancellor has set out reductions in national insurance and tax breaks for business as part of his autumn statement.
We are delivering the biggest business tax cut in modern British history. The largest ever cut to employee and self-employed national insurance, and the biggest package of tax cuts to be implemented since the 1980s.
This is how it goes with a restaurant, my lovelies. One moment, there are people there with you, and we're all happy together and eating, drinking, and having a wonderful time. And then suddenly, they leave you, and you're all alone. Right, let's go home, but I'm dropping one off on the way. Held it back a little bit late so I can take it on the way home. No point in going back to the restaurant. I'm bloody halfway home by the time I've done that. Oh, it's a bit chilly. Yeah, it's a bit chilly. It's going to be a busy one tomorrow night. Tonight was quiet, by the way. But tomorrow night, we've got pretty much a fully booked restaurant. And then before that, we've got a photographer coming in because we've just signed up with, I say just about 3 weeks ago, we signed up with Uber Eats. and we've got one of their photographers coming in to take some photos for their featured items for the Uber Eats online menu. And it's going to be interesting seeing them because, and this is going to sound terribly immodest, unless he's a really bloody good photographer, I think mine are going to be better. I do a good food pick. Well, I flatter myself I do a good food pick anyway. But to give him his best chance, I'm going to get in a little bit early and I will dress the dishes, because it's generally acknowledged that I dress dishes more nicely than anybody else. God, I sound like a terrible show-off, don't I? I'm not really. Well, I am a bit. And if you remember, we don't come this way all that often, but if you remember, this is Hammersmith, and it's got a bit of age to it, and I like it very much. Just coming off the customer's property. It's a converted barn, won't tell you exactly where, but I just thought that looked rather spectacular, so I thought I would share it with you. There you go. Oh Christ. Okay then, pufflings, it's that time again. Time to say good night. Now, you won't see the welcoming lights of the cottage tonight as normal, because I came out the back door. But I'm not going to faff about trying to park this in the back tonight, because it takes a bit too much manoeuvring, and I don't want to be loud and or disturby at this time of night. So I'm just going to plonk it down here. In fact, I'll plonk it in here behind Miss Boo. Oh, please let me do a better job than I did last time. That was embarrassing. That'll do. Right, my lovelies. That's it for today. Thank you so much for being with me. Thank you for sharing my day with me. It means a lot. So I hope you have a safe and peaceful night. Hope you sleep well. Take great care of yourselves. Much love from me, and I will see you next time. Good night.